Okay, hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to take a really quick look at difference of squares factoring. I'm just going to look at a really quick example here. So when I take a look at an expression and I see two terms, okay, and I see the subtraction in between, one of the things I can do is interpret this as a difference of squares. Now it does help. It does help if the first term and the last term are here are both perfect squares. It's not an absolute necessity, as we'll see later on. I can kind of work with it even if they aren't, but it does help when they are perfect squares here, because the way this works here is I'm going to put two binomials here. I'm going to have an addition between the first two and a subtraction between the second two, although it doesn't really matter. I could have done the subtraction first here. Then you take the square root of x squared, the first term, and put that there. And then you take the square root of the second term, 49. The square root of 49 is 7. I put that here and I put that there. So these two terms, these two factors together, they are the exact same, except for the middle operation. We call these binomial conjugates. Now, just so that you're clear what's going on here, when we expand that out, just take a quick look here. We take the first term, multiply by the first term, so we get x squared, and then the first term multiplied by that negative 7 there, and I'm going to get negative 7x. And then I take the second term from that first binomial, and it distributes through as well. So 7x, and then multiplied by that negative 7, so negative 49. Those two inside terms there are always going to be the same term with an opposite sign. They'll cancel, and you're left with x squared minus 49. So that is the pattern that we're going to be relying on as we do the next section here on difference of squares factoring.